Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. The carpenters are installing the remainder of the ceiling tiles. The electricians completed wiring of all of the electrical fans in the stairwell and rear door. The LED lighting was completed in all areas that the metal channel was installed. The remainder is on back order and should be in any day now. The site contractors built in retaining wall at the rear corner of the building to keep water from getting in, and also started pumping down the basin to get ready for the conversion next week. Chester County conversion allowed us to start removing the erosion controls. The carpentry contractors ordered the material and delivered it to the site for installation of the exterior decorative columns, minarets, and crescent. The final clean contractor was on site to start with the windows and continue cleaning throughout the building. They also put protective plastic sheeting on all the new installed carpet. House of Stone was back to install the upper level bathroom, vanity, countertops, and laser measure for the porcelain shower walls at the lower level. They will be installed sometime next week as soon as they complete cutting them. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.